What's up, everyone? It's Chris here, waffling about something else today. And one of those really fascinating topic that I want to talk about is mark scheme. Today I'm going to focus on academic, especially on the UK academic for this video here. And one of those things I found out is a lot of teachers, especially for biology, this subject, regardless of you doing GCSE or like A level biology, the, a lot of teachers out there is really picky and they are being so harsh on the mark scheme. And I'm not saying that's bad because, yeah, undoubtedly there are someone who can get A star and 90 something percent at grade 9 in biology regardless. However, for the majority of people who are doing biology, especially GCSE and A level biology, I think the way the teacher mark your exam question based on the mark scheme is wrong. And why would I say that is because imagine not using the word like one of those keywords that you're supposed to use in a question. Will that really affect for the next 10 years if you want to become a biologist? Will that affect how the world works? Will that affect the project you're working in? Will that affect the knowledge you had on biology for not using one word in a question? And that might cost you a grade 9 into like a grade 8 or something, an A star to an A. So that is one of those corrupt things, I think, in A level biology or GCSE regardless, or in other subject which require a really important, which require our mark scheme. And with that one mark or that BOND, bonds or bonds, really matters on whether you're someone who's good at biology, good at that subject or not. So that's the problem of biology. And think about it. The purpose of a mark scheme, there's a lot of purpose, to be honest, for making a mark scheme for the teacher who marks it. But I would say one of those really niche purpose of having a mark scheme for the subject is because the teacher are simply lazy. The person who is marking is simply lazy. Imagine that. If there's a bunch of experts who are assigned to mark those papers, everyone will have the same knowledge, same idea, the same level of understanding in biology. Like I'm using biology because like I'm doing it. Yeah, I had done biology before, so I'm using biology because it's easier subject to use as an example. So let's say for biology, everyone, all the examiners have the same level of understanding in biology, marking your papers. They will have a similar marks or similar result that is that they're gonna show to the student. So really, the reason mark scheme exists is because we want a indicator. We want a model answer. So teacher don't need to think whether that answer is right or wrong. However, the student do. And the point of that is you lost the fundamental purpose of having students to study the subject biology, because it's more like we're studying English literature than biology now. With the way the teacher marks and the way the teacher comment to our answer, that's wrong, absolutely wrong. We're not doing biology, we're doing English literature or English language, if you like. So yeah, that's one of those really corrupt things. Because of the examiner laziness, we students have to work extremely hard and get the word right. And whether using that word will matter on how much we actually understand biology, probably not. Because working in this society nowadays, let's say you want to become a biologist, you want to become a doctor maybe. Yeah, let's say you want to become a doctor. Will using the word feign or feigns matters? Well, imagine you're doing a surgery. Will the patient ever ask you to mention a specific word or not? Probably not. Like, this just wouldn't happen in real life. And the purpose of studying is to prepare us to go to this real world and contribute to society. But the way, because of the marking, the existence of how harsh people are marking, the examiner marking our papers, that isn't biology. It isn't biology at all. So that is the core thing, I think, for biology department. That's the top 10 worst thing I think is currently going on in the academic circle. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy it, like and subscribe. I don't mind if you don't, but yeah, I'm just sharing my opinion here. So thank you guys. Thank you for listening or watching.